Molweni bafundi, we continue with chapter 9 and the story of Ndopho in Port Elizabeth. Kwakudlula ixesha elide. When a long time had elapsed, uNdopho engabuyi, with Ndopho not having returned, uNojaji wafuna, Nojaji wanted kumkhangela, to look for him herself, ngokwakhe, eBhayi in Port Elizabeth. Kodwa imali yokuya eBhayi, but the money to go to Port Elizabeth, akazange abe nayo, she did not have. Umenzile waya kuboleka imali. Menzile went to borrow money from Ndimeni. Wakhwela ke uNojaji, and so Nojaji left waya eBhayi and went to Port Elizabeth. Wanikwa idilesi ka Jomsini. She was given Jomsini's address. Ngeli xesha, at the time, or at this time, while zingela uNdopho, while she was looking for Ndopho. Zingela literally means to hunt for. Jomsini yena, and as for Jomsini, wamnceda, he assisted her ekumfuneni uNdopho, in the search for Ndopho. Ngenye imini, one day, seleza kuncama uNojaji, just as Nojaji was about to give up hope. Wafika uJomsini. Jomsini arrived esithi, saying, "Come here, this boy has got him." Baphuma bekhawuleza uNojaji noJomsini. Nojaji and Jomsini went out in a hurry and went to Bayakufika, and went to Lomzi, that place, that dwelling, Wawu no Ndopho, where Ndopho was staying, or where Ndopho was. Bafika, they arrived. Bambona uNdopho, and saw Ndopho ehleli namanye amanxila, seated with some other drunkards. Bechaya intsangu, smoking dagga, bedlala namakhasi, and playing cards. Wothuka kakhulu uNdopho. Ndopho was greatly shocked akumbona unina, when he saw his mother. Akazange akwazi nokuthetha. He was unable to even speak. Wakhamisa nje, and his mouth just hung open. Nojaji as well, akazange akwazi ukuthetha, was unable to speak. Wema nje, she just stood. Kusihla inyembezi emehlweni akhe, with tears, inyembezi, welling from emehlweni akhe, her eyes. Amanxila, the drunkards, beka, they looked around. Emva kwethuba elide, and after a long time, kwathetha uMpit, one of them, spoke, Wati, and he said, "Masichaye doch iDopho. Let us smoke, man, Ndopho." Wothuswa ngalamazwi uNdopho. Nojaji, or rather Ndopho, was shocked by these words. watsiba phandle, and he jumped up and ran outside. Eshiya egila, knocking over Umpit, who fell over Wawa as he did so. Wayekwaza, he was shouting, Andimazi lomfazi. Andimazi lomfazi, I don't know this woman. Lomfazi andimazi, this woman, I don't know her. Umpit naye, Umpit as well, wamtuka, swore at Nojaji ngokubaphazamisa, for disturbing them. Nojaji yena, and as for Nojaji, wawa isiduli, she fainted, genxa yomothuko, from shock. Wamnceda uJomsini. Jomsini helped her ngamanzi, with some water, nangamayeza, and medication. Lonke elo xesha wayesithi, and all the while and all the time he was saying, funny scoundrel, run away, but this boy is okay. Dr. Zinnaby Jamison is going to mend you, old girl. Genene, indeed. Wavuka uNojaji. Nojaji came round, bahamba, goduka, and they went home. Ngentsasa elandelayo, the following morning, uNojaji wati, Nojaji said, we are goduka, that she was going home, kuba uzibonele, because she had seen for herself, ngawakhe amehlo, with her own eyes, into ayiyo, the thing that he had become, what had become of umntwana wakhe, her child. Wagoduka esithi, she went home saying, likhona igqwirha, there is a witch doctor, or a witch rather, elitakathe, which has bewitched umntwana wam, my child. Phofu, indeed, igqwirha lalikhona ngenene. Indeed, there was a witch. Yayinguye. It was her. Kuba akazange awuthobele umthetho. She had never followed the rule or obeyed the rule othi, which states, mfundise umntwana, teach a child, ngendlela efanele umntwana, in the way appropriate or suitable to or suited for a child. Naxa emkhulu, and when he has grown up, or when he is grown up, akasayi kumka kuyo, he will never deviate. Okay, so that then concludes chapter 10. Enkosi kakhulu bafundi.